In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add assignees in ClickUp 4.0. By the end, you'll know exactly how to put the right people on the right tasks, so work moves forward with clear ownership. Let's jump in. First, log into your ClickUp workspace. Think of your workspace as the home base for everything your team is working on. From here, head to your team's area, often shown in Overview or Team Space. So you're looking at the part of ClickUp where your projects live. Now, open your spaces. These are the main containers for your projects or departments. Select the space that contains the project you're working on. Once you're in the right space, switch to the List view. List view is perfect for assigning because you can see your tasks in a clear, table-like layout with columns for status, assignees, due dates, and more. You should now see all your tasks in that list. Find the task you want to assign. Hover your mouse over that task so the quick actions and columns become interactive. Move over to the assignee area for that task and click it. This opens the assignee picker, which shows your available team members. If your list is long, use the search field to quickly find the person you're looking for. Click the team member's name to assign them to the task. You'll see their avatar or initials appear right away, confirming the assignment. If the task needs more than one person, you can select additional names to add multiple assignees. This is helpful for pair work or when a task has sub-responsibilities handled by different people. If you change your mind or someone no longer needs to be on the task, removing them is just as simple. Open the assignee picker again and deselect their name. The change updates instantly, and they'll be removed from the task. A quick tip: if you don't see the person you want to assign, make sure they're part of your workspace and have access to that specific space. Permissions matter, and a missing name usually means they need to be added to the team or granted access. Another best practice is to be intentional with ownership. Assign one primary owner when possible, and add others only if they're actively responsible, so accountability stays clear. And that's it. You've seen how to navigate to your space, open list view, and add or remove assignees with just a few clicks. If you found this helpful, remember to like this video and subscribe for more simple, step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.